Hey guys, we got Speedtek Racing's transmission kit for the KA. They shipped us all sorts of stuff. And we got, well, a little bit of a nightmare. I guess it's not as bad as an automatic, but here's our makeshift press. Got the cases washed. And then we got the upgrade. We broke the output shaft here. It's pretty gnarly. And we got the upgraded shaft. This thing's all coated. It's nice. Just rebuilding everything, new bearings and seals. And so it's a dog box. Instead of synchros. Now I've done it. I'll give you all sorts of stuff. It's pretty neat. Some of the stuff we won't be using, but look how short my shaft is. I cut it. But yeah, it broke real good. We'll be using that stuff. I don't know. We gotta put new yoke on the drive shaft to make it fit because it's bigger. And then they shipped it and the box was just trashed. Good stuff. Good thing it's all hardened steel. Well, yeah, just the boxes were destroyed. All the way from Australia. So hopefully nothing fell out. We got bushings and clips. So started to put together third. Got to put a clip on there. Measure the clearance it's got. And then I got to put this guy in. Well, there's the gear set so far. It basically it's got to put on the nuts and the bearing and the speedo, and then I'll put on all the forks. Good look at it. I got all the gears except for this guy, the reverse, but they're all coated. This is the 600 kit from Speedtek. You gotta get their bearing deal. You got the dogs and everything. So everything seems to be going alright. And then I ground down a spot on the case. Gotta get rid of the seam that's there. So I didn't get them WPC treated and pour, but they should hold up for now. This output shaft's a lot more stout, so I've been picking at it, and now it's pretty much ready to go. Just got these guys, and the bearing kit was pretty expensive. So what do? You gotta do what you gotta do to play, so here we go. That's from Australia. There's all the stock stuff. Still gotta reuse some of the rods and different things, but that's how I had it laid out, and then it got picked apart. picked apart. And the cases all got cleaned. Then I just got to put the forks on and the rods and I know, old school S chassis stuff. Oh well, we'll get racing with something soon. Gotta make sure that's on the right way. And this one's bigger than stock. That's what happened. This is what happened to the Roadster. A little bigger. I guess as big as they can make it. You gotta drill a couple holes in these shafts for the shifter. That one and that one. So I don't really know what to do with this. I took off this guy that goes in here. And then it goes in the original whatever. So the instructions aren't very clear. So I put all the balls in and then I got everything centered. Kinda. So you gotta sort that out, then drill the holes and it should be good to go. Using this for break-in. Well, it's sat outside since like July. It's almost December. We got the trans back in anyways. All beefed up. Hopefully it works like it's supposed to. The rare shot of under the car you guys never get to see, but my little catch pan I made. My intercooler that's pretty much too small now. But I got these Holly LED lights. They're really expensive, but they are sweet. They're nice. It's pretty much seized, wouldn't move. And now we're supposed to get 6 inches of snow, and I gotta put this thing together and drive it home. And it's just starting to snow. So we're getting. So I'm on the lift, doing 60, running in the gears. Got it working. Third's a little noisy, but all the other ones are quiet. I don't know what's going on. I know they're straight cut gears and all. This will be fun to drive. Seems to work so far. The good thing is the shifter is still in the same spot, but I gotta get a proper shifter from Speedtek. I guess I don't have to get it, but it'll make it a little easier. That's a B&M short shift. So just leave a comment or something. Ask a question. We'll see if I can help you. And subscribe.